you have your font, you have kind of font, you have like timecode, frame, file date, all that stuff. And you have this stuff. What's going on, guys? Continuing, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be focusing on some text on SHOTCUT. So I do have some files prepared. So I've tried to do this already. My OBS stopped, so sad times. But yeah, so you may think, why are you doing it on text? It's pretty obvious what you do. You just go into video, then you go down to T, you cut text, and then you take out the time code, you just put in your own message, and it'll appear. But that will appear for the whole bit. If you don't want that, you don't know how to do it, well, I'm gonna show you. What you want to do is, like right here, you want to go to there, you want to click split it playhead, so these are already done. Want to go where you want to finish, so let's say I'll just finish here for the video. So yeah, you put that there. You want to have your playhead over it so you can actually see the text. Then you go, you find text there, and then you replace it with whatever you want to put there. And you can also style it. So you have your font, you have kind of font, you have like timecode, frame, file date, all that stuff. And you have this stuff, the position of it, so you can just use these as same as that. And then you have this where the text will be. So if I click left, it's going to be in left. Click bottom right, and well, if I click right, it's going to be right. Centre, it's in the centre. So yeah, that's really it. Alright, I had a little bit of problem with it, so don't worry about that. A little bit there that appears up. So and then you see the text will come up. Just skip to the end here, and as we fly by the kryptonite, bye bye text. There. So that is really all it is to know about text. So if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash a thumbs up, that'd be greatly appreciated. Also hit the subscribe button for more control videos on live streams, like to the control members of the down description below, as well as my second channel and last video. See ya. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.